Good morning, and thank you for being here today. We are in the SBDC channel, and today we are welcome to Martin Hernandez from Customers Bank. He's a small business lender, and we would like to ask you some questions for Martin. Thank you for being here, Martin.
Thank you, my pleasure. Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. What are the common questions that a bank will ask to a potential borrower?
So typically, we have to know the purpose of the loan. What's the money being used for? Not because we want to be nosy, but because we have to know the loan purpose for a lot of reasons. We'll make sure we put you in the right product. We want to make sure that the purpose is the correct purpose for the loan. Also, by law, we have to know for all bank secrecy, KYC, the anti-money laundering. We have to know all these reasons. We have to know the purpose of the loan, where the money's going for, what the money's being used for. So, use of proceeds is what we call it. So, we have to know what the purpose of the money's for.
All right. What would the purpose of the loan? What is another common question that a bank would ask?
We typically like to know the experience. So, the experience of the person that wants to buy a business, for instance, or is looking for the loan. That's what we like to know, because if they're experienced, they're likely to be more successful. If they're inexperienced, a lot of issues arise that they're not prepared for.
Right.
So experience is critical, and it doesn't have to be exactly, but maybe in industry, but have a lot of experience in that industry or the like type of business.
Any type of business. So what is the money going to be used for? The experience that they happen to feel? Is there any other questions I may ask?
Oh, absolutely. Their credit report is very important. We want to make sure that they have a credit report is strong. Most banks have a threshold no less than, so our threshold is 660 on the small business lending. As long as their credit score is 660 or better, they qualify.
Right, and it's very important to let you know also that the SBDC had a program about restoring your credit. If you have any questions regarding your credit or don't know how your credit history look like, let us know. We can help you to do that. When the final question that a borrower may ask to a business owner?
Well,
they never
borrowers they ask so many questions, but typically they want to know the why, and I explain why we need to know all this information. Plus, also as the lender, so there's two components. There's the outside component, which is the lender, and the inside component, which is the analyst and credit officers. And so the more the lender knows, the more he understands the customer and the transaction and what the money's for, the better he can write up for the analyst who's not with the borrower, or the analyst and the underwriter, they're not with them, so they don't know. So we are their eyes and ears with the borrower. So we try to present it in a good way, so that it's a good package for them to understand and be able to quickly give a approval or a decline.
Correct. And thank you for being here today. Remember, if you have any questions regarding to applying for a loan, you can contact the SBDC, or also Martin. Let us know your number so that they can contact you.
Sure. If you have any questions, you want to just preliminary, ask as many questions as you like. It'd be my pleasure. My number is 609-807-7976. 609-807-7976 is my direct line. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you very much.